welcome back to Good Morning Boss. And eto, Jules, every January, nakatakdang ilunsad ng Federation of Philippine Photographers Foundation ang Photo World Asia 2015. And to know more about this, let us all welcome our very special guest. We have Mr. Amir Alba, Chairman Photo World Asia 2015, and also Mr. Chris Malinaw, FPPF instructor. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Good morning. Good morning, Diane.
All right, to start off, umpisa natin for the benefit of our viewers. What is Federation of Philippine Photographers Foundation all about?
Kami sa FPPF, Diane, we are a group, no, samahan ng mga photographers at mga professional photographers and serious hobbyists, no. We are not a business, we are a non-profit. Samahan lang ng mga litratista.
So just in NCR or all over?
All over the Philippines. Okay. And we hold workshops, photography workshops in Fort Santiago. And then yearly, we do Photo World Asia event, the trade show, and the International Photographers Conference.
Alright, so speaking about the Photo World Asia 2015, Sir Amir, ano naman po yung mga magaganap dito sa exhibit na to or sa event na to?
Yes, magkakaroon tayo ng trade exhibit, puro sa about the photography equipments, cameras, accessories, gadgets. And at the same time, meron din tayong ginagawang seminar para sa mga photographers. So, nag-i-invite tayo ng mga international speakers, photographers, experts in photography.
So, Photo World Asia 2050 will be held where?
Yung trade show mangyayari sa Glorieta.
Sa Glorieta. So, do they need to pay any registration fee or everybody's welcome? This is open to the public?
Yes, it will be open to the public. Yung seminar, meron tayong registration. Ginagawa natin yan sa ACCM, no, sa Makati.
Ano po ba yung usually na tinuturo sa mga workshops? Lalo na, syempre, ang dami, di ba, Dayan, yung mga photographers
modern na rin yung
talaga.
Technology rin kasi.
Ang daming mga accessories gadgets na binibilita. So, ano po yung mga usual?
Basically, kung papaano gamitin ang DSLR, that's the Digital Single Lens Reflex Camera. Yun yung mga malalaki. No? Yan yung mga malalaki. Okay. By knowing how to use that manually, mas maganda ang understanding mo sa pagkuha ng litrato. Mas kontrolado mo kung anong litratong palalabasin mo. So, basically yan. Tapos, from basic photography, we go to the advanced photography workshops. Tapos, meron kami mga specialty workshops sa Photoshop, sa Lightroom, sa wedding, sa food photography, at marami pang iba. Okay? Yan yung workshop sa Fort Santiago. Iba yung conference, yung seminar doon sa conference na gaganapin sa Photo World Asia. Dito naman, nag-iimbita kami ng mga world-class master photographers.
Alright, so basically, Photo World Asia 2015 is a perfect venue, Jules, for those aspiring photographers kasi marami silang matututunan dito kasi pati international, meron tayong mga i-invite from our international community.
And we're big, no, Diane? We're big on videography this time.
Okay.
Videography. Dahil nauuso ngayon na sa DSLR, ando na yung capability to do video. No? So, si Richard Harrington, professional photographer from the USA, okay, videographer siya. Bukod sa pagiging photographer, he is a professional video artist. He produces films. Okay? Tapos sa Pilipinas, meron tayong si Sid Maderaso naman. Sid Maderaso. You might have seen his commercials. Hindi ko na babanggitin. Baka singilin ako. Napakaraming commercials niya sa TV na nakikita nyo na si Sid Maderaso. So, ang topic naman ni Sid Maderaso, for example, is the art of 30 seconds. So, what can you do in 30 seconds? Yun yung mga commercials natin. Di ba?
Alright. So, alam mo, Jules, I would just like to stress it out na kung naalala mo before, parang yung photography, this is something parang profession talaga. Pero ngayon, pag makikita mo, marami na rin mga kabataan na nahihilig, hobby na nila, and lahat ng cellphones, may camera, lahat, kahit hindi ka talaga photographer or talagang nag-aral ng mga basic photography, lahat may mga yung mga camera na na techie ngayon, GoPro.
Nagtuturo din kami ng iPhone photography or smartphone photography.
Itong
so, ibig sabihin, even with this, pwede kang gumawa ng magandang...
Uy, mahilig ako mag-selfie. Paano may mga workshops
na rin
rin?
kami kung paano gamitin yan ng tama. Okay?
Ano po ba yung tama?
Siguro
Unang-una,
kahit basic
intindihin
lang.
mo, unang-una, intindihin mo anong capability ng iPhone. Anong
Okay.
capability ng camera mo sa smartphone.
Yung mga features.
Okay? Unang-una, wide angle yan. Pangalawa, fixed lens ka. Fixed lens means hindi ka nakaka-zoom in, zoom out. You have to go in with your feet and
Yes.
come out. Okay? So, yun ang zoom mo. Okay? Maintindihan mo yun, and then tinuturo namin yung composition. Yun actually mahalaga doon.
Ano yung composition?
Composition. Okay? Sinasabi nila there are rules of composition. Although I completely debunk that. No? Meron lang tayong natural way of seeing things. Diba?
Yeah.
The mind wants to see things in a certain way. Kung halimbawa maayos yan, mas gusto mong tignan. Diba? Kung magulo yan, ayaw mong tignan. It starts from there. So, pag maayos yung composition mo, yung framing mo,
Yes.
mas gaganda yung litrato mo. And then you're aware of lighting, etc., etc.
Alright, so again, let's talk about Photo World Asia 2015. Let's go back to Mr. Amir being the chairman of Photo World Asia. Ano po yung mga dapat i-expect ng mga participants natin at saka kailan po pala itong Photo World Asia?
Yeah. Bukas na po, no?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So, tatakbo po tayo ng mga 6 na araw.
6 days, so
The
parang
trade show.
long.
Yes. And the seminar, mag-start po ito ng Friday at matatapos ng Monday. Tuesday.
Sa AIM yun,
Yes,
Asian
sa-
Institute of
Sa
Management.
ACCM in Makati. And then Tuesday, magkakaroon din tayo ng hands-on workshop. So yung mga experts in their respective fields sa photography, makakasama ng mga delegates and
So
participants.
dapat yung participants, may dala silang mga cameras nila, of course.
Of course, hands-on.
Yes.
Importante.
Pero
And of
merong
course,
workshop
it's
din kaya for iPhones, yung mga ganun. Kasi very interesting siya, Dayan.
Ang theme natin this year, Tayan, is merging technologies. No?
Merging technology.
Paano mo i-express yung sarili mo through visually, through the use of these equipments and gadgets. No? So, sa photography, sumama na yung video, sumama na yung GoPro, marami na, DSLR, smartphones.
Siguro,
lahat mga
this is more
image
of how
capturing
can you
device.
maximize
Yes.
any gadgets that you have because
Totoo.
everybody's not really affordable. Hindi naman lahat nakaka-afford bumili. So maganda na meron silang workshop ng iPhone kasi lahat may cellphone. Diba, Jules?
Yeah, that's right.
So, sa Photo World Asia po, paano po yung mga pag-register nila? So, do they just need to go to Glorieta on tomorrow?
Yeah, sa Glorieta, open na siya, yung trade show during the mall hours. And then yung convention or yung seminar, they have to go to the secretariat
Alright.
to register.
So sa lahat po ng places na iikutan nyo, may secretariat lagi doon for registration.
We have in ACCM, both in ACCM and in Glorieta, magkakaroon tayo ng
Ito naman,
secretariat.
Jules, ang gusto ko rin tanungin, paano naman dun sa mga interested viewers natin na photographers who would like to join your federation, paano po sila makakasali?
Our members are not individuals. No? Our members are
Groups also.
groups, camera clubs basically. Okay? So to participate in our activities, be a member of a camera club that is affiliated with the FPPF.
Alright. Okay, so as we end, Sir Amir and Sir Chris, please do invite our viewers to attend your 6-day exhibit and event in Makati tomorrow.
Okay, so again, iniimbitahan ko po kayo. Start na po tomorrow, Photo World Asia 2015. See the latest technology in photography, and then see international master photographers sa amin pong seminar na gagawin din sa ACCM in Makati. Marami po salamat.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Again, that was Mr. Amir Alba, Chairman Photo World Asia 2015, and Mr. Chris Malinaw, FPPF instructor.